Naghahanap ka ba ng hotel kung saan ka pwedeng mag-staycation? If yes, well, para sa iyo ang video na to. So heto na nga, napadpad na naman tayo sa Makati and then I saw this hotel. Syempre, chinek ko kagad sa Klook. 4.3 ang rating sa Klook, not bad, diba? Worth 3,500 pesos, good for 2 persons. Wanna know the details? So join me and mag-hotel tour tayo. Welcome to 1898 Hotel, Colonia and Las Filipinas. O diba, pangalan palang sosyal na. So it is a Filipino-Spanish inspired hotel located in Makati City. So syempre, mag-check-in muna tayo. Inalaw tayo sa early check-in. So 12:30 PM pa lang, hawak na natin ang mahiwagang key card. Take note ha, yung early check-in, inaalaw lang nila kapag may available room na. Ano ang next step? Syempre, pupunta na tayo sa room. So we book a deluxe room, good for 2 persons. It includes free use of amenities, meron ding free parking space, and then buffet breakfast, good for 2 packs. So inside the room, there's complimentary drinks, so 2 bottles of water. They have coffee and tea, and meron din silang mini fridge. But you have to pay for the consumption ninyo sa mini fridge. It has a queen size bed. It's a comfortable one, and kasya na dito ang 2 persons. Here's the toilet and bathroom. Wala siyang bathtub pero malinis naman, so goods na to sa amin. And then across the bed, meron kang Makati City and streets view. They have a cabinet here, so you can put all your clothes that you're going to use during your stay. And inside the cabinet, meron ding safety box. In case you want to go out and you don't want to bring your important things with you, you can put it inside the safety box. And here is the workstation area. So that's it for the room. Punta naman tayo sa amenities. So they have swimming pool area. For sure, mag-enjoy ang mga bata dito. And if ayaw mo naman mag-swimming, nakaka-relax ding tumambay. If ayaw mo mag-swimming and gusto mo palang mag-workout, meron din silang gym area. Dahil may kasama ng buffet breakfast yung booking namin, so as usual, maaga na naman tayong gigising. So we're here in the breakfast cafe and I'm so amazed, napakaganda ng ambience and napakadaming tables to choose from, so pili ka na lang kung saang area ka uupo. Grabe din yung dami ng options ng food, so sa sobrang dami, di ko na alam kung anong kakainin ko. And ang ganda rin ng music, so relaxing habang kumakain ka ng breakfast. O diba? Sobrang daming options. Kung hindi ka pa naman mabusog niyan, ewan ko na lang. They also have drinks like coffee and juice, hindi lang nasama sa video. So that's it. What do you think about 1898 Hotel? Thank you for watching.